Hi everyone, I have a message for you. Let's see what it says. Hi, green room. Hi, green room. Today we can, number one. Oh, what sound does that letter make again? W. That's a W, so it makes a W sound. Watch water move. How are we gonna watch water move? Let me show you. So you'll need 2 cups of water. I made mine clear so you can see it a little better. And now I'm actually gonna move the camera. Here we go, ready for a ride? Whee! There we go. Awesome. And then I have some food coloring here. I have blue and I have a yellow. So let's see, I'm gonna make this cup of water yellow. You can use food coloring, or if you have watercolor paint, you can use that too. Okay, blue and yellow. And now we're gonna mix, 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 mix. And mix, 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 mix. I think my blue needs to be a little darker. And then do you remember in green room, or even I think I did a video about this earlier in the summer, we talked about how some things are more absorbent than other things. Like how paper towel absorbs water really well. That's why we use it to clean up messes. So I'm going to show you how we can make water move with the paper towel. So first you're going to fold it. And if you have bigger cups, you might need a whole sheet. But I don't need a whole sheet, so I'm going to rip mine in half. A little closer. And then you're going to take your paper towel. And then you're going to make it into a V. See how that's a V? Then you're going to flip it. And then watch. I'm going to put it in the water. And look. It's traveling up the paper towel. I wonder what's going to happen in the middle. Oh, it looks like the blue might be a little higher. Look, you saw how water moves. And it looks like right here it's starting to mix a little bit. It's starting to make green. The paper towel absorbed the water and made it move up. How cool is that? I wonder if you could make some different color mixtures at home. There we go. Okay, and let's see what our choice number 2 is. Number 2, paint with watercolor. Now that you have 2 different colors, you can just take some paper and a paintbrush, and you can dip it in. You can leave the paper towel in there to see how far the different colors go and how much it mixes, and then you can paint. Let's see, I'll try some mixing. Ooh, mine's a little light. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but I'm gonna make a big sun. Yay, and there's my sun. Oh, that's really light. I don't think you can see that. But you can paint with some watercolor at home and make it a little darker. And let's see, number 3, see how plants grow. So I know all of you got some bean plants a few weeks ago, and I've heard that some of you have transplanted them outside, and some of yours might still be in the bag. So I wanted to show you some of my plants. These aren't the bean plants. These are some different plants that I have. But you can look really closely and see, like right there, that's called the root. And you can see parts of the root are coming out, and then it goes up and up and up, and it goes to this plant. So you can look really closely at your plants and see, can you see the roots? Can you see the leaves? And once you look at the leaves, you can see there are a lot of little leaves coming off of it too. And you can keep an eye on different plants that you have at home, maybe in your house or maybe in your back or front yard, and you can see how many different parts of the plant there are. You can see if there are a lot of different leaves like mine has. Mine has some smooth ones and some rough ones. And you can see how much of the plant you can see by greening them.